Good day everyone and welcome to live analysis. Today we have the dollar yen and the euro dollar. It's the ADP day and we should see the possible movement of both pairs. Before I start, have in mind that forex trading has a high level of risk and is not suitable for all investors. Please educate yourselves on the risks associated with forex market before you start trading live. Have in mind that everything you see and hear from me is my personal opinion only. Also sign up for more live educational, live trading and live analysis webinars on these web addresses. So let's see now what the euro dollar and dollar yen have to offer. Let's start with the dollar yen first. We can see that the price is basically trying to break above daily H5 level. Now, because we have the ADP today, and ADP is the change in the number of employed people during previous month. This will be volatile for both dollar yen and euro dollar. Not as volatile as it was like 6, 7 or 8 years ago, but actually this is a precursor for the NFP data. So if results on the ADP are positive and the deviation is positive in regards to forecast, my opinion is the dollar yen will push to the upside. Now, the final target for this week is 112.06, and I don't think that it could be reached before the NFP. But just in case, if the price starts to drop, this is the level where we could see buyers 111.15 to 111.25. So that is the zone. The zone for buyers is clear. Here we have a lot of confluence. We have Bollinger Bands, higher time frame. Also, we have the EMA here that is pointing also to the upside, and definitely weekly H3 Camarilla pivot. So if the price starts to drop, watch for some possible reversal patterns within the zone 111.1525 and the push again to the upside. Final target is, as I already said, 112.06, but the daily target for today is 111.68. Have in mind that also this level here, 111.68, is also very important, very strong. So before the price gains momentum for the weekly H5, it needs to break this level, because this is where historical sellers were showing. Here you see how the price started to drop. Also watch for reversal patterns here for possible drop in the price. But also don't forget to pay attention to ADP data. So dollar yen is currently bottom of the dips, but watch for possible reversals here, or at least for intraday, like in a sort of retracement. If retracement happens, I guess that 111.50 and 111.35 will be retested. Okay, now let's move on to the euro dollar. Euro dollar has basically had a nice trend to the downside. This was the first rejection, then the second rejection, the third rejection, and at the fourth rejection it was stopped at the weekly L3, so it couldn't break below the weekly L3 that stands at 1183. Now, this is obviously an important zone, and only below the 1183 the price could go down, retesting 1150. Now, because we have a retracement in the euro dollar, my opinion is that as soon as the price, if of course breaks 1250 and starts to make a U-turn, okay, then you should pay attention to possible short opportunities. The average ATR has already been broken, 42 versus 41. So reversal patterns anywhere in the zone on 1250 to 1280 could provide at least a nice rejection to the downside. So this is now a retracement. You can see that it made some sort of a rounded bottom here, but watch for the zone 1250, 1280. Any reversal pattern could actually again drop the price, retesting 1220 and 1212. Below 1212, my opinion is that 1185 will be retested again. So 1212 is now, you see daily H3 is now support. You see buyers from this zone. I can zoom it in so you can see it better. So we have also buyers in the zone here. See how the price actually bounced from 1212. And also only below 12.12 on intraday basis, we could see a retest of 11.85. Let's see what will happen. I gave you the levels. Watch for possible, as I said, retracements or rejections. But don't forget that during US session, the price will probably get more volatile. I hope that you enjoyed the analysis. I wish you a great trading day. As always, cheers and trade safe.